smoke alarms by minimum code should be one on every level of your home. If you've got a multi-storied home, should be one on each level. So one in the basement, one on the main level, and one in the sleeping quarters by minimum. Many people that are in the safety business, or people that are aware of how important these devices are, have far more than one on every level. In fact, the new code for these devices, because we know how important they are, is not just one on every level, but one in every single bedroom. So if you built a home today from rubble, the code would be every level, every bedroom. They would have to be interconnected, which means that if one goes off, they all go off. And they also have to have a strobe light, which goes off. So you may think, isn't that overkill? Well, those of us that have seen accidents related to fire and those types of emergencies can tell you that it is not overkill, and it is a very, very safety feature that every home should have. Minimum, one on every level.